Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we're going to be discussing the methods that you can use to form your LLC in Kentucky. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your Kentucky LLC. I'm also going to be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, if these terms are not familiar to you, then I highly recommend you watch this video. So according to the Kentucky state, the primary income source is agricultural business, tourist places, and the service industries. Coal mining is in the state that produces more than 100 million tons, which is combined production of the underground mining and surface mining. So if you look at the most significant share in the GDP, it is of the manufacturing sector, which is around 18% recently. You can start off your Kentucky LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or you can send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method. Now, we personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best ones out there, and they're the most affordable for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Coming to a very common question, what's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining incorporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So with ZenBusiness, what are you getting? You're getting 3 plans. You're getting a starter plan, you're getting a pro plan, and you're getting a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something budget friendly, and it starts at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost effective and offers all your essential services like a registered agent and your operating agreement draft. Coming on to the Pro plan, it offers some of the essential additional services along with your main services which are offered in the starter plan. Also, in the Pro plan, it takes lesser time to form your LLC. In this plan, what are you getting? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, and expedited filing. The premium plan is perhaps the most costliest plan by ZenBusiness. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was your starter plan and your pro plan. It offers a faster filing process, a business website, a domain, and your very own email address. So in this video, we're going to be discussing option number 1 and number 2, but we're going to be placing emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure that you're doing your LLC work correctly. This is one of those things where you can't afford missing out key information or have any misunderstandings. ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service that you can get, because forming an LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with ZenBusiness. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in Kentucky. So the first step to starting off your LLC in Kentucky is basically choosing your business name. Simple, right? Well, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows all the LLC naming guidelines. Now, you can find the naming guidelines at lcbuddy.com. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you're naming your LLC is number 1, your business name should be available, and no other existing business in Kentucky can have that name. Each business name is very much unique to its owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like State Department, FBI, CIA, they cannot be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after the additional requirements by Kentucky state government are fulfilled. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you have decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. Now, to keep the name, you have to file the name reservation application and pay $15 to reserve your name with the Kentucky Secretary of State. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC in the state of Kentucky is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to be acting and working on your LLC's behalf, and they're going to be receiving all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within Kentucky. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure that your registered agent is a resident of Kentucky or has a physical street address there, because their business address is going to be used as your LLC's principal address within Kentucky. Most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services. For example, ZenBusiness. ZenBusiness provides a registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. A key thing to note when you're getting your registered agent is the importance of having one, and having a legit one, because in case of a lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate will. The first thing they're going to do is check whether you have a registered agent. Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork correctly? The third and a very important step in forming your LLC is to file the Certificate of Formation. The Kentucky Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $40 to file your formation certificate in Kentucky. The Certificate of Formation includes details like the name of your LLC, the registered agent's name, your address, employee details, and the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring your employees in Kentucky, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly to avoid any future issues. We suggest using ZenBusiness because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you get stuck, they have a great customer support service. You can go there, ask your questions, and they will respond to you. The fourth step is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is very vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a lot more. And it helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing the Kentucky LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement. But it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your entire business operation. It's for your own benefit. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service such as ZenBusiness, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing out any detail. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very nominal fee. The EIN, which is also known as the Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify the types of businesses for tax purposes and taxes in general. The EIN is necessary for any active businesses or any form of businesses for that matter. An EIN is needed when your LLC starts to hire employees. Now, how to get one? All you have to do is fill up a form. It can be done online or you can do it by mail and just submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness and they can help you out with the whole process as well. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to be showing you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Now you can see right here that they have more of a chatbot system going on, not just plain filling out the forms. It's pretty interactive if you think about it. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Just enter your name here. They really just want to talk to you. That's why it's going to require your name over there. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. This one is going to take a bit of a time because they're just like calculating stuff, checking if their name is available or not, any prerequisites that they might require. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The Pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verified compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything, and then you can just continue to payment, and that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness. So now that you've created your Kentucky LLC, there's still a few things that you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Kentucky business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. And you need to file the Kentucky annual report. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how to start off your LLC in Kentucky, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.